Hey y'all, I'm fixing to share with y'all another wonderful little Father's Day appetizer to have around for those dads. Uh, and these freeze beautifully. So if you have a lot of drop-in company unexpected, I would highly suggest keeping some of these. You fully make them, and then I like to put them on a cookie sheet in my freezer, and that's what you call IQF. Instant quick freeze. And so you can put them all in a baggie, and they're frozen individually so they won't stick together. It's a great item to have in your freezer, y'all. And the dads are going to love this. And it's so easy. All right, I'm going to start with a half a cup of butter. And I believe, let's see, I got out my measuring cup to measure my butter, but I think that this softened butter, oops, is going to be about a half a cup. So we shall see. We have to steal a little bit from the other butter dish. Just a little. There we go. That'll do great. Perfect. Oh. Now what did I do? Oh, here's my cookie sheet. So you want to have somewhere to dump out your crab. And we're using a beautiful lump crab for these. And I don't want to tear it up because I want it to kind of stay in chunks. But I just want to make sure it's not full of shells. And an easy way to pick the shells out is to put your oven, maybe 250, 300, and spread this out on a cookie sheet. Throw it in your oven for 3 or 4 minutes. Doesn't take long. But if there's any shells, they'll turn a bright pink. So you can go right to them. But these look really, really nice and clean. So I'm going to put that to the side. And I'm going to take my butter. And I'm going to add I think this is a 5-ounce jar of Old English cheese spread. And make sure you save these little glasses because they make perfect juice glasses. I've saved many of them over the years. All right, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's see. Two tablespoons. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And make sure you use powder, not salt, garlic salt. Because it will make them way too salty. I'm going to put just a little bit of hot sauce. And for those hot lovers, a lot of dads like their stuff really hot. And I'm married to a dad that I can't get it hot enough. So I'm just going to do one little spidgen because I'm a sissy. I got a sissy tongue. All right, now I think I'm going to pull out my mixer. And get the wet ingredients really mixed up well. And now I'm going to take my crab meat and I'm going to stir it in as gently as I can. This is when we want to fold. Okay, so here we go. Just gonna pile it up there. And we'll just garnish this with a little parsley. And it'll look so pretty. And it'll taste so dadgum good, y'all. All right, and I just want to say, because I don't know if I said it to begin with, y'all, but I sliced my little rounds and I sprayed them with an olive oil spray. I don't know where I put it. Oh, I left it over there. I just sprayed the top because that kind of helps make it crispy. So that's not butter on it, but it's an olive oil spray. So you want to make sure these get toasted, for a couple of minutes. And I toasted them in my air fryer and they toasted beautifully. In fact, I could finish these off probably in that air fryer, but I decided I'm going to do it possibly like you would do it at home. So I'm going to put these in the oven and I'm going to bake them for about 10 minutes. And they're going to be delicious, y'all. Y'all know that this old tongue knows what delicious tastes like, right? All right. I'm going to, I think I'll spray it. I was going to say maybe I could put down some parchment paper, but I'll just lightly spray it because I don't want these sticking to the pan. Now you could freeze them at this stage right here. Just set that tray in your freezer. Let them completely become frozen. Or you can make them all the way. Go ahead and bake them and everything. And then put that in the freezer. So any way you want to do it. So Eddie, would you like one? Please have one. Please have one. Bon appetit.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes, happy Father's Day. Isn't that good?
Very good.
And don't you love the toasted part of the baguette? Oh, yum. So the recipe calls for a 425 oven, but you be the judge of what your oven can do. And it's like for 10 minutes. And don't forget to spray your baguettes with some olive oil spray and just toast them in your air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, please go on Amazon and look at my air fryer because it is, I swear by my air fryers. I think they're good enough to put my name on. That's right, I put my name on it. Or you can toast them in your regular oven. But this is a great thing around to have around. And I'm going to finish these and I'm going to put them in the freezer because children are always popping in and out of this house. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.